Well, busy, busy, busy. I don't know. I've been fishing again. Friday I'm going hiking, Saturday I'm going fishing. I don't know how I'm going to get time for all these videos. Anyway, we're on day 86 and it's June the 17th. And, well, yeah, the fishing weren't too clever. Stevie from Stevie's Repairs, a regular contributor on my YouTube channel, as he reckons that the bream are still spawning, and that probably, well, that's a good a reason as any. I always thought it was a little bit early in this, but then what do I know? Yeah, so anyway, we're sticking with this February 2019 holiday, and I think we're going to get right the way up to day 99 with some footage from this. It might be a little bit the same because obviously we're in Wroxham in a cottage, and I think I've tried. Been looking through and picked some snippets out, and I think I've tried to keep it where it's not sort of coming out of Wroxham down to Awning every day. It's not the same thing, so there are little bits, but obviously there's going to be some that's the same. And anyway, yeah, so we're still carrying on. We've been checking the water levels that I've already seen, and we're just going to have a little trip over Wroxham Broad anytime soon. And, well, we're taking our time really because we're having a bonding session. It's like the Jolly Boys outing. We know that when we get back, all the women will be there. Or will they? They might still be in the pub. Out of order. I've still not forgiven them for that.
A river to a valley, an ocean to a stone. The time it takes the edges to become well worn. But with your arms around me, I've never been more sure that all this time and softened lines are better than before. We're better than before. My love will not change. My love will not change. Through the years it grows, but time will hold the weight. My love will not change. Sailing through the seasons with every setting sun. Breathing in the feeling like we've just begun. Feels like we're flying, but it's steady ground. In all the chaos and the quiet, you're my safe and sound. Through the years it grows, but time will hold the weight. My love will not change.
See play on the right wing? Just the midfielder.
This rhythm still swaying. Bet you think that I'm playing. Hot damn, you're making a name, and I'm changing the game. You're gonna remember my name. You can see me moving. I'm accelerating at the speed of light. The speed of light. I can see the music moving in your veins. You know I own the night. I own the night. Got something to say. Get out of my way. I'm here to stay. And you can't stop. Now, baby, you can't stop. Got something to say.
Got something to say.
Get out of my way.
Just get out of my way.
I'm here to stay. And you can't stop.
Nah,
You can't stop me.
Yo, I see your mouth move, but you ain't saying nothing. What you gotta prove? I don't do the frontin'. I say what I mean what I say. I don't play, sidestep the fake, doing it my way. I'ma call these dudes out, funny with the hate, cause your words don't make sense, like parking in the driveway. You could take the low road, I'ma take the highway. All I do is win, bet that hurts T-Pain.
You can see me moving. I'm accelerating at the speed of light. The speed of light. I can see the music moving in your veins. You know I own the night. I own the night. Got something to say. Get out of my way. I'm here to stay. And you can't stop me. You can't stop. Got something to say. Get out of my way.
Hey,
I'm here to stay.
I'm here to stay.
And you can't
Yeah,
stop me.
baby,
You
you
can't
can.
stop me.
hey, I can see that you don't comprehend that I'm the best. I got my city on my back and got an S up on my chest. If you think you gon' come and take what I've been working for, you wrong. I'm here to stay. This throne is mine. It's exactly where I belong.
Got something to say.